Sand casting is a process of creating metal objects by pouring molten metal into a mold made of sand. This technique has been used for centuries and has had a significant impact on the world in a variety of ways. One of the main advantages of sand casting is its versatility. It can be used to create a wide range of objects of varying sizes and complexity, from small gears to large engine blocks. This has made it an essential process in many industries, including automotive, aerospace, and construction. Another advantage of sand casting is its cost-effectiveness. Compared to other manufacturing processes, sand casting can be relatively inexpensive, especially when producing larger objects. This has made it an attractive option for manufacturers looking to produce high volumes of objects at a reasonable cost. Despite its many benefits, there is still room for improvement in the sand casting process. One area that could be improved is the environmental impact of sand casting. The process requires large amounts of sand, which can lead to environmental degradation and the depletion of natural resources. Some manufacturers have begun to explore more sustainable alternatives to traditional sand casting, such as using recycled sand or developing new, environmentally friendly materials for molds. Another area for improvement is the quality of the final product. While sand casting is a versatile and cost-effective process, it can result in objects with imperfections or inconsistencies. Manufacturers have developed new technologies to improve the precision and accuracy of sand casting, such as using computer simulations to optimize the casting process and reduce defects. Overall, sand casting has had a significant impact on the world, enabling the production of a wide range of objects at a reasonable cost. While there is potential for improvement in the environmental impact and quality of the final product, the continued use and development of sand casting will likely play an important role in many industries for years to come.